Hey guys, so today I'm gonna share with you guys some kind of tips and tricks on this Hunter Revolution tire changer. Some of the things that I've learned while using the machine, some of the things that do occur here and there on certain sets of tire and wheel, like the wheel and tire setup, and just if this ever occurs to you, like what to do in this case. So right now we have a 19-inch wheel and tire combo. It is relatively low profile. We are running a 40 sidewall. It's a 235/40/19. It is for a BMW car. So basically, sometimes when you use the Hunter tire machine and you set the location and you are breaking beads, sometimes depending on how low the profile is, this lower arm here, you can see here, this lower arm here will sometimes get caught on the meaty part of the tire. And then when it's trying to slip in to break the bead, it just misses, it doesn't go in. So I'm just gonna quickly show you what I'm talking about. I kind of have it already set up for you guys. So you're gonna spin, you're gonna eventually spin, and it's gonna start going up. The arm's gonna go up, and then you're kind of like, it kind of just pushes up the tire like that. To give you guys a better view, this is what I'm talking about. It kind of pushes up on the side of the tire, and it's not really breaking the bead, and it's just stuck there now. So normally, you guys on the machine would probably press, try again. So you're gonna try again, and eventually it's just gonna go up. It's gonna go like this, it's gonna do the same thing, and then when you spin it, it doesn't really do anything. It's gonna go up, the arm's gonna go up, and it's just gonna get caught again like that, like so. So, what you're gonna do at this point is, you're gonna reset everything. You're just gonna reset everything, like here. You're just gonna go reset, clamp, unclamp. When you unclamp the wheel, it automatically makes you do everything all over again. So what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna clamp it again. And then we are going to manually break this down. So when I mean manually break this down, if you've seen it, done it, if you've used this machine long enough, you'll know the concept of breaking down the tire manually with the joystick panel here, as well as doing it by yourself. So we're gonna break the top bead first. So we're just gonna lower it down, and we're gonna slowly go in, a little bit lower, and we're just gonna spin it like that. Even this works with sensors. If you have sensors, we can do that too. You're gonna slowly go down. You see it breaking, we see the bead breaking, and we're gonna pull a little bit further out with the arm, and we're gonna press down a little bit more. So we know the top bead is broken at least. So now that the top bead is broken, we're gonna transition into breaking down the bottom bead. So what we do here is we're just gonna do it manually as well. You can see that the lip is pretty close to the roller, so we're gonna move it back, and we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna go a little bit inwards. The beeping is okay, the contact is okay. So we're just gonna slowly move just a little bit more. Sometimes it gets tricky, but if you do this enough times, you'll get used to it. And you're just gonna go slow. There's no need to go fast, we're just gonna go slow. We're gonna lift, 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 lift. Lift all around. Okay, so I think we're good. Okay, now the bead is broken. We can see, we can like slide our finger in there, it's broken. At this point in time, you're gonna want to set the location again. Especially if it has TPMS, we're just gonna lower it down, and we're just gonna set it. Same spot. We just want the lip or the rim of the wheel matching with the roller, just like that. You want to have a little finger gap so it's level, so just have a feel for it. And we're just gonna set the location. And then we're just gonna do the same steps of demounting. Yes, it does take a bit longer. This step does take a bit longer, but at the end of the day, it has to be done for certain setups. Especially if the tire, the sidewall of the tire on, let's say, Lexus IS, their tires are a bit, they kind of flow up, and sometimes the roller arms mistaking that for like a different height setup, and that can cause the same issue that we were talking about earlier. But nonetheless, that is one of the tricks for this tire machine. In the next video, we're going to talk about this head here, some of the tricks that you can use to kind of navigate certain situations if you or your apprentice mistakenly thought that like any normal wheel was a normal mount versus reverse mount. So we're going to talk about that in the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out.